So again, it's me, Jeanette, and I got this toy from Amazon, so I gotta figure out how to put everything together. I got the instructions right here. It has a laser and balls, a feather that comes out, and then I guess you could choose which one goes on the top, whichever one you want to use of these. And then it comes with an extra thing, I guess, in case they break it. So let's get let's put this one on. I got that snapped in. I don't know what that does on the top. Let's press it and see with the laser. Let's turn the power on. Okay, so that's on. Maybe there's different levels. Oh, okay, so then that's laser and shake. So then they have a laser on there, and then they have the shaking thing, the balls and the thing, and then it comes with different things you can attach for later. The other cats are kind of afraid to play with it because Gracie's gonna smack them. Let's see. Push the laser right angle control knob to adjust the distance from laser lights. So you can just, the little thing at the top adjusts the laser light. There you go. That puts it more on the floor. You can have it up in the air or you can have it on the floor. Let's see. So I charged this up before I showed you guys. So it's fully charged. So that's for that. Oops, they're not scratching me. That's all three. I guess it's a different speed. Okay. So this will keep them busy. Eventually, with these kind of things, they eat the thing off, though. They'll eat the feather off of the toy. Let her play, Gracie. So yeah, this will keep them busy.